This morning, Washington is reacting to the latest shakeup in President Trump's cabinet. Longtime ally Pam Bondi is out as Attorney General, replaced by the president's former personal attorney, Todd Blanche. NBC's Alice Barr has the latest.
This morning, a shakeup in Justice Department leadership with Pam Bondi out as Attorney General. President Trump posting, "We love Pam, but that she would be moving to an important new job in the private sector." A loyal ally since President Trump's first term, Bondi joined him just this week for his unprecedented Supreme Court visit. But 8 sources told NBC News the president's frustrations have been growing, feeling that Bondi wasn't executing on his vision of delivering successful cases against his perceived enemies.
I'm looking at Pam because I hope something's going to be done about it. These people put our country at great danger.
As well as investigations into his debunked claims of widespread voter fraud and frustrations over Bondi's handling of the Jeffrey Epstein files. She initially claimed last year that the Justice Department had the late sex offender's client list.
It's sitting on my desk right now to review.
Before reversing course with a memo saying the DOJ had found no incriminating client list, as public pressure over the highly controversial case only grew. Bondi's acting replacement, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche, a former personal lawyer for President Trump, weighing in.
I have never heard President Trump say that the Attorney General that anything that happened to her had anything to do with the Epstein files.
2 sources familiar with the matter tell NBC News President Trump and Bondi had a heated confrontation at the White House last week. They did not say what it was about. Bondi now the second cabinet secretary ousted in less than a month. Bondi said in her own post she was thrilled to continue fighting for President Trump in her new role. A congressional committee recently subpoenaed Bondi to testify about the Epstein investigation. The committee spokesperson said the chair is reviewing next steps as the family of a prominent survivor pressed for Bondi to, quote, do right by survivors this time. In Washington, Alice Barr, NBC News.